Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. I hope you have a really good weekend, and I hope you have a really good week moving forward. Okay, so thank you for liking that video yesterday. I think that was the most liked video on XRP ever. And if you can just do the same again, just take 2 minutes out just to click that like button. I really do appreciate it. And thank you for sharing these videos on Twitter, Facebook, and social media. And thank you for your support. And big up the CoinsKid crew admin team as well. It's amazing what a community we built right here. So XRP for me is coiling up basically. I know it's boring, I know it's flat, and it's a level of consolidation, everyone hates it, but it is what it is. It's coiling up for a very violent move in my opinion. Again, nothing I say is financial advice. I've not got a crystal ball or anything like that, but you're potentially looking at this as a big inverse head and shoulders pattern just there. Okay, so I'm seeing a lovely little bullish pattern here starting to emerge, and I did see a very similar pattern down here which gave you the technical breakout, which was met when we started to coil up and consolidate, and everyone was getting a bit bored and a little bit lackluster and we run into resistance. And once we broke this upper level of resistance, we absolutely took off. Do you see that? And right now you're creating a very similar structure. You got your left shoulder, your head just here, which I gave you. You got your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder, and once you broke that level of resistance, you can see you rallied into resistance, came back to the EMAs as support, created a buy and go to the beach, broke out. Okay, so right now you came up, you met the level of resistance of this huge horizontal, which is normal. You want to see that confluence, so you run into key levels of resistance right there, and you can form into patterns in the charts, which is amazing. And you're coiling up basically. So you've got your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, pretty much like what you did down here. And when we did break out there, I gave you all them technical targets, and each technical target was met, and everyone thought it was some kind of wizard, but I'm not. It's just patterns. You can see, look, when you ran up, where did you find resistance? Just here, and you consolidated, caught up, and continued with a break, okay, of this impulsive wave target, which was met. It was a beautiful little target that was met. So right now you're doing exactly the same, rinse repeat, isn't it? Look, you came up there, you've got a level of resistance just there to there as your neckline to your head, and you can see that once you break out this level of resistance wherever it is, on this trend line, you're equally breaking out this level of resistance to retest this trend line. So there's a lot of confluence that you're really bullish here for XRP. Providing you can hold these EMAs right here, coil up, you're creating a huge horizontal just there. I mean, look at that, coil up, breakout, retest this neckline, you're in a technical target to 147. Okay, you're breaking that high, so you're in a new impulsive wave from this high and this low. You're gone basically. So it's only a matter of time. People get frustrated to think, you said it'd be this week. I didn't say this week. I says explosive few weeks ahead for XRP, and potentially it could be this week, because we're coming into the end of October, into November, and we could absolutely explode this week. That's how close it could be. But again, I could be completely wrong. It might not be this week, it might be next week, it might even be the end of November, who knows. But so far we're slowly creeping up the stairs, and you can see, you've got this level of support and level of resistance, and you're coiling up here, you're coiling up in some kind of horizontal. So if we look at this as a potential target, okay, potentially you're looking around the 11th of November, coming into the apex, get your break, see you later, run into that level of resistance, gone. Okay, that's XRP looking really bullish for continuation. Okay, so one thing I want to look at for me is a couple of things really. It's the total market cap here for crypto, just to show you. Okay, like I said to you, if in doubt, zoom out. Okay, so let's take a look at the total market cap here for crypto. You can see if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame right now, you can see that we're breaking out. Okay, we've got a beautiful W bottom pattern, you've got a beautiful ascending triangle pattern, and you're breaking out. Okay, so you're looking, hopefully we're putting some kind of broadening wedge here. Look at this broadening wedge, broken out of a beautiful double bottom, breaking this level of resistance. So technically we're in a target to 2.66 trillion. Once we come up and start to take out this high as well, this is why you're looking at continuation, and this was a correction, because our next impulsive wave target will be at 2.831 trillion. And you can see that that is potentially the catalyst for XRP to break out of the horizontal as well. Now, confluence is that we are seeing a lot of crypto projects that are bolting. You've got the likes of Harmony One, Chainlink, I think Dogecoin, I think 1inch. A lot of coins that I've covered are actually breaking out of horizontals, so that's great. That's what you want to see, but it's just XRP is a little bit behind, and I've told you that the whole time. XRP is a little bit behind because of what's going on with it, but when it does break, it is pretty explosive. You only have to look in the charts and see how explosive these particular breaks can be for XRP. Look at that. And that's with the SEC over its case, and that's XRP in a bull market with a load of shit on its head. So for me as well, the DXY, we'll take a look at the DXY because I've shown you this before. You can see here, you know, come literally the 1st of October on the DXY here, you can see literally rallied into the end of September, like we have here. Look, end of September. This red line represents the end of September, 1st of October, sorry. And you can see rolled over, put in a bit of a fake rally, and then rolled over. Look, and right now we're doing exactly the same thing. You know, we're putting a bit of a fake rally, rolled over, and we look like we're going to come back down and retest this trend line. Look, you've got this broadening channel here, and then you fell. You've got this broadening channel here. You know, you come back down, you lose that support, you look to come down to test this trend line of this larger broadening channel. Now, if you start to fall out of this for the DXY, this is where you can enter a super cycle for crypto. I've shown you this before. So anything is possible. Nothing is impossible. This is crypto. It's a crazy volatile space. So that's just a quick little update for you on XRP today to show you what I'm looking at going forward. So we're coiling up for some kind of break, aren't we? You know, and all the technicals across the board are looking relatively healthy for the continuation of the bull market here that we are currently in. So thank you for your likes, thank you for sharing the videos, and thank you for your support, and thank you for your Patreonship as well. Please like this video. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.